10.3% fewer homes sold this past March than in 2025, and the overall sold price dropped 4.3% from last year, while homes are taking longer to sell this year than last year. It's Friday, April 3rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. 477 homes sold in March at a median sales price of $350,000. And in 48 days, while 526 homes sold last March 2025 at a median $365,000, and those were sold in 25 days. So it's taking 92% longer this March to sell over last year. Inventory of homes for sale is up again this week to 2,059 units, and the median list price is $405,000. These have been active for a median 76 days. 183 homes will be coming to the market at a median $450,000 list price. 177 homes went under contract this report. These went under contract in 16 days, and the median list price at time of contract was $374,000. 149 homes sold in 44 days at 96.9%, and the median sold price was $355,000. Rentals fell to 156 units, with the median monthly rental at $2,197 per month. These have been on the market for 49 days. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 3rd, 2026. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.